Right. Hello, my name is Larry Picard. Today I will be demonstrating my data structures final. I did mine in Java, and the way my project was going to work was I was gonna have a online program to that would store so like at a country club, wine there would be members of that country club would be able to have wine lockers, and those members who would like to request a locker would be set they would be set on a wait list on this application, and then this would then go ahead and send that person an email or something to if a locker were to free up, if someone were to not renew their locker. So I want to show off what kind of classes I have for this. So this is my member info Java class right here. This is gonna have fields for name, for ID, locker number, email, and phone number. With this class, I went ahead and just added a method that uses all the fields, and then I just created the getters and setters for this file, along with a toString at the bottom. Then I created a class called WineLocker. I got my comments right there also. For this class, I went ahead and I did number, capacity, and available as a Boolean. So again, I also went ahead and did a default constructor right there that takes everything and sets this to true at the moment. Then I included getters and setters, as well as again another toString. And then this right here is actually my the main class. So this is where the data structures this is where I included that. So I called a queue and a linked list for this project. And then here I have another thing where it'll call and go ahead and use those data structures. I created a method that would add members to a wait list, along with some message to output. I then went ahead and did assign wine locker. I made sure to have a Boolean right here. I went ahead and did an if statement. I want to show off the rest of the code, so I'm just going to scroll through it. This is right here another if. So if found is not true, it's not going to be able to give you a wine locker. So it's going to output this message right here that I created: no wine locker available. And then it just goes ahead and adds the person's name to the wait list. I have another class right here, or method, my bad. It's called remove member, and that just goes ahead and removes a member from the wait list. And then I have a search right here, and I wanted just to show off the rest that I have. So this will just display the information on the members, or the wine locker if someone has it. And this is actually all I have. I just, due to personal reasons and personal struggles and time constraints, I fell behind, and I was not able to add the insertion sort that I wanted to. Also, I was not able to wasn't able to outline this the way I wanted to and finish it. So I'm just presenting what I have, just because I know it's last chance. I then went ahead and just had a couple. I'm gonna close this real quick. I just had some tests, some information on members for a test. So I've got the name of the member, just a random member ID that I gave them, an email address and phone number. And then I went ahead and did a few tests. I'm not too good at JUnit testing, but I just tried to do a little bit, I guess. I also didn't didn't go ahead and do all my methods, so it's not complete in that sense either. But that's what I got for this assignment. Sorry, for this project. Thank you very much for taking a look at it. I also did want to add that the project didn't run, of course, as my my testing and my other thing weren't complete. But I just wanted, to show off what I had at the time. Thank you.